Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Rocket Money, a popular personal finance app that helps you save money on your monthly bills. But before I get into the details of Rocket Money, I want to ask you a question. Do you know how much money you're wasting on unnecessary bills every month? I'm guessing that most of you don't have a good answer to that question. And that's because it's hard to keep track of all your bills and subscriptions. That's where Rocket Money comes in. It's a free app that connects to your bank accounts and credit cards and tracks all your spending. It then alerts you to any unnecessary bills or subscriptions that you're paying for. In fact, Rocket Money has helped people save an average of $1,200 per year. So, if you're looking to save some money, I highly recommend checking out Rocket Money. Now, let's get into the details of Rocket Money. How Rocket Money works. Rocket Money works by connecting to your bank accounts and credit cards. It then tracks all your spending and looks for any unnecessary bills or subscriptions that you're paying for. Once Rocket Money finds a bill or subscription that you're not using, it will send you an alert. You can then cancel the bill or subscription and save money. Rocket Money features. Rocket Money has a number of features that make it easy to save money. Automatic bill negotiation. Rocket Money can negotiate with your bill providers to get you a better deal. Subscription cancellation. Rocket Money can cancel your subscriptions for you with just a click of a button. Cashback rewards. Rocket Money can help you earn cashback on your everyday purchases. Budgeting tools. Rocket Money can help you track your spending and create a budget. Rocket Money pricing. Rocket Money is free to use, but there is a premium version available for $4.99 per month. The premium version includes additional features such as priority support, ad-free experience, advanced budgeting tools. Is Rocket Money worth it? If you're looking to save money on your monthly bills, then Rocket Money is definitely worth it. It's a powerful tool that can help you identify and cancel unnecessary bills and subscriptions. So, if you're not already using Rocket Money, I highly recommend giving it a try. It's a free and easy-to-use app that can help you save a lot of money. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy saving. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, please click on the link below. You can also download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Here are a few additional tips for saving money with Rocket Money. Set up automatic bill negotiation. This will help you get the best possible deals on your bills. Use the Rocket Money app regularly. This will help you stay on top of your spending and identify any unnecessary bills or subscriptions. Take advantage of Rocket Money's cashback rewards. This is a great way to earn extra money. I hope these tips help you save even more money with Rocket Money. Thanks for watching.